I was going to put a second coat of paint. Ow. On my columns here. And I had to put some caulking stuff over here to seal up the crappy job that they did. Gotta put another coat there. I sealed up the holes from where he didn't measure to put this up. But I got a rain delay going on. Look at those apples. Look at those apples. Oh my. There's still a couple on there. This was not the year for the apples. My little alien is getting wet. Watch out. They're getting bigger. Watermelons still, I had to put them over here because of the wind the other day. Look at those okras. And I'm waiting on the flowers. They got really tall this year. Anyway, but it's raining. F. Joe Biden. Anyway, I got a resurge of the flowers on the butterfly bush. This thing, I'm not painting that. That's a waste of my time. And my arm won't let me. But, anyway. I got a rain delay. God bless America.